Nations all over the world are engaged in an ego-driven rivalry to build the tallest skyscrapers as a result of the quick spread of invention and technological advancement. Aside from increasing tourism revenue, having the tallest building conveys a sense of grandeur and power on the part of the government. Nations do not keep this difference for very long because skyscrapers are continually being constructed all around the world. This video looks at the tallest buildings in each continent. 7. Antarctica. Long Duration Balloon, LDB. Payload Preparation Buildings. These structures are the highest in Antarctica. These two identical structures are 15 meters tall. They may be found in McMurdo Station City, a research facility on Ross Island's southernmost point in Antarctica. The buildings, which were finished in 2005, are a component of a U.S. research center run by the National Science Foundation, NSF. The LDB payload preparation buildings are mobile structures supported by skis that are positioned atop a berm. They are now the biggest movable buildings in Antarctica. Since they can be moved, they avoid getting buried under snow throughout the winter, which would require digging them out before they could be used again. The structures lack elevators. They are the least frequently visited structures on our list because of the climate in Antarctica. 6. Africa. Carlton Center. The highest structure in Africa is called the Carlton Center. The 225.5 meters tall structure is situated in Johannesburg, South Africa. The 50-story building has both offices and retail space. The Carlton Center, which was finished in 1973, previously held the record for height in the Southern Hemisphere. The Carlton Center has a floor area that is 46% below ground. The Carlton Center complex is made up of the two structures, the Carlton Center and the Carlton Hotel. There is a below-ground shopping mall with more than 180 stores that connects the Carlton Center with the Carlton Hotel. Originally built and held by Anglo-American Properties, the structure is now owned by Transnet Society Limited, a significant South African rail, port, and pipeline firm. Since 2000, the Carlton Center has served as the home of Transnet Society Limited. Its style is reminiscent of New York's One Seneca Tower. 5. South America. Gran Torre Santiago. The Gran Torre Santiago in Santiago, Chile, is the highest structure in South America. The Gran Torre Santiago is 300 meters tall. It has 64 high stories and 6 basement floors and was completed in 2012. Cesar Pelli, an Argentine architect, created the structure. The Gran Torre Santiago is part of the Costanera Center complex, which also includes 2 hotels, 2 office buildings, and Latin America's largest retail mall. After the Eureka Tower in Melbourne, Australia, the Gran Torre Santiago is the second tallest structure in the whole Southern Hemisphere by highest inhabited floor. It is also the second tallest structure in the Southern Hemisphere, behind Q1 in Queensland, Australia, in terms of highest architectural feature. The Sky Costanera observation deck, located on the 61st and 62nd floors of the building, provides a 360-degree panorama over Santiago. 4. Oceania. Q1 Queensland. Number 1, Q1, is a suburb in Brisbane, Australia. Q1 is the highest skyscraper in Oceania, at 323 meters tall. Q1 contains 78 stories. The residential skyscraper was dedicated in 2005. Q1 is also the highest structure in the Southern Hemisphere. Q1 is the second tallest freestanding building in the Southern Hemisphere, after New Zealand's Sky Tower in Auckland. Q1 has a 245 meters roof height. After its completion, the skyscraper surpassed the UAE's 21st century skyscraper in Dubai to become the world's highest residential tower. The structure was named after Australia's Olympic rowing squad from 1920 to Q1. Sunland Constructions developed the Q1, which was designed by the Sunland Group. The structure earned the Emporis Skyscraper Silver Medal in 2005, finishing second behind Sweden's Turning Torso. The Q1 observation deck, often known as Q-deck, is located on the skyscraper's 77th and 78th floors. 3. Europe. Lakhta Center, St. Petersburg, Russia, is home to the extraordinarily tall skyscraper. The structure is the highest in Europe, standing at 462 meters. The Lakhta Center has 86 stories. The mixed-use development is situated on a 17-hectare area. Tony Kettle, a British architect, designed it. Lakhta Center achieved its goal of being the tallest skyscraper in Europe and Russia in January 2018. After the Ostankino Tower, the skyscraper is Europe's second highest building. Offices, sports facilities, co-working spaces, conference rooms, children's science centers, and an indoor exposition center are all part of the mixed-use property. An observation deck at the top of the building gives a 360-degree view of the city. 2. North America. One World Trade Center. The tallest structure in North America is the One World Trade Center in New York City. The 104-story tower stands 541.3 meters tall. The main structure of the World Trade Center complex in Lower Manhattan, One World Trade Center, was completed in 2014. The super-tall skyscraper is located in the northwest corner of the World Trade Center site, on a 6.5-hectare plot of ground that was previously occupied by the 6th World Trade Center. The building's height in feet, 1,776 feet, is an intentional allusion to the date of the writing of the U.S. Declaration of Independence. Despite having 104 floors, One World Trade Center only has 94 stories. David Childs designed the tower, as well as the Willis Tower in Chicago, Illinois, and the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. 1. Asia. Burj Khalifa. Starting in the late 2008, the Burj Khalifa has been the tallest building in Asia and the world. The skyscraper is located in Dubai, UAE. Completed in 2010, the Burj Khalifa stands at a height of 828 meters, making it the tallest man-made structure on Earth. The building consists of 163 floors above ground, with a total of 154 usable floors. The design of the Burj Khalifa draws inspiration from both Islamic and modern architecture, resulting in its distinctive and iconic appearance. Initially named Burj Dubai, the building was renamed Burj Khalifa in honor of the President of the United Arab Emirates, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, and to acknowledge the vital support provided by the rulers of Abu Dhabi, particularly during the financial crisis of 2008. The Burj Khalifa is equipped with an extensive vertical transportation system to efficiently move people within the building. It features 57 elevators and 8 escalators, ensuring smooth and convenient access for visitors and occupants. In terms of its structure, the Burj Khalifa incorporates a sophisticated cladding system that helps in managing the extreme temperatures of Dubai's hot summers. This system provides insulation and reduces the heat transfer, contributing to the building's energy efficiency and occupant comfort. The Burj Khalifa stands as an extraordinary testament to human engineering and architectural brilliance, embodying Dubai's commitment to pushing boundaries and achieving remarkable milestones in the world of skyscrapers. You were with Structure Eng Hub. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.